we noticed that there is really activity that could enhance the knowledge of the students, especially in peace education. As today we celebrate the International Day of Peace, not only in our country, but all around the world. So we hope that your presentation, you can get education of that, and also in your daily lives, you also have peace in any activity that you are doing and achieving. You notice that when somebody hurts you, and the one who is really the culprit could not say sorry to you, so you have goodwill in your heart. Para bang meron kayong dinadala na karamdaman na sana humihingi kayo ng tawad sa taong sabihin natin na ginagawa ninyo ng salary na hindi niya gusto. So kayo bilang this section sa first year level,